Ungainly is an adjective that describes someone or something as awkward, clumsy or lacking grace, especially in movement or appearance. It conveys an image of uncoordinated or inelegant behavior, often with a slightly humorous or sympathetic undertone. Origins of ungainly. Ungainly originates from the Middle English word ungainly, meaning unfit or unready. It combines the prefix un, meaning not, with an older sense of gainly, which meant graceful or suitable. The word has been in use since the 16th century to describe a lack of grace or coordination. How to use ungainly. Ungainly is commonly used to describe physical awkwardness, but can also refer to things that are awkwardly constructed or ill-suited for a purpose. It is often applied to people, animals, or objects. Example sentences. The young colt's legs were so long and ungainly that it stumbled with every step. He made an ungainly attempt to climb over the fence, nearly losing his balance. The large, ungainly piece of furniture dominated the small living room. Similar words: clumsy, moving or doing things in a way that is not graceful or skillful, awkward, lacking grace or ease in movement or social interaction. Gawky, physically awkward, often due to youth or inexperience. Nuances of ungainly. The term ungainly often implies a temporary or inherent lack of coordination or elegance, but does not carry a sense of harsh criticism. It may evoke a sense of humor or even endearment when describing certain situations or creatures. In essence, ungainly captures the charm and humor of imperfection, reminding us that grace and elegance aren't always necessary to be appreciated. It's a word that finds beauty in the awkward and unpolished moments of life.